What's up guys, Ratchet here, back with another video. Alright, so today I'll be doing the belt and tensioner on my TL. It has been making noise, rattling, and it oscillates a whole lot more than usual. Alright, so for starters, for this you don't have to remove your battery or anything like that. So all we have to do, remove this cover, and then you would see your tensioner. You have one pulley here, but ideally the bolt to loosen it would be this one down here. So again, we'd have to take the belt off. So to start that, I'd move my reservoir out the way. So what you want to do is pull up and it'll slide off the bracket, tuck it. So now you could get to that bolt, and that would be a 14 mil. But first we take the belt off, so we would want to move the tensioner forward, take that belt off, and then we'll be able to pull that tensioner bolt. So for tools, I'm using a 1/2 inch 14. That's what I have available, but any 14 mil will work. The longer the better, so you have more leverage. And all you want to do is push forward. Once you have your belt loose, you want to move to that tensioner bolt now. Just get your belt out the way. Quick PSA, due to the clearance between the frame and that bolt, you'll need a long two-way wrench or whatever wrench, 14. That's once you have that bolt removed, you'll find that it's stuck in there between the frames, so you do have another bolt to pull underneath. The final bolt you'll have to access from underneath the vehicle. So that bolt right there, that's a 12. Alright, so like I said, from the top, to get that tensioner out, you pull it out of place, twist it, and just like that. And then you have your new tensioner here. This is a Deco kit, 165 list at advanced. That's the part number. Try not to strip or damage this bolt, because you will have to reuse it. Same thing for the 12. This kit also comes with the belt, so I'm replacing both. With the pulley that comes with it, once that bolt is tightened, this pulley no longer moves, which is not supposed to happen. So due to the design on this pulley, as you can see, the top of it is not arched, I'd say. See how this one is concaved, and then this one is just whatever. Yeah, so if this pulley is not bad, you could reuse it. Mine isn't, so the bolt will work with this one. So now you see, once the bolt is in, there's enough clearance. Alright, so installing the new tensioner goes in reverse order. Like I said, push it sideways, and then once it's in, turn it the right way, and then you try to catch that mounting bolt. Then you could go ahead and install that 12. Always hand tight stuff first, then use the tool, but preference is yours. So this is the diagram I will be using. I found this on Google. So this will be your crankshaft, this will be your AC compressor, then this will be your tensioner with the idler pulley, alternator, and then this would be your power steering. So now that I have the belt routed, next step will be loosening the tension and then sliding the belt over the power steering pulley. Alright, the belt is now on. So all you have to do is verify that everything is on every pulley. The belt is not hanging off. Each pulley has a groove that it sits in. So now you could go ahead and reinstall your power steering reservoir. Alright, so as you can see, the car is not running. I no longer hear the noise. The belt is not squealing. So that means the job is done. All I have to do now is just reinstall my plastic. Make sure the tab is going in. And that is it. Subscribe to the channel, like the video.